Alright, we are gonna go for a drive. So I got my new car mount, which is stranger than I was expecting, but I could get it to work. So we are in the new car. I am using the Insta360 and the new ULANZI car mount, which, bring up the box here, make sure it's in view. It's there somewhere. And when I post this, I want it to be 360 so you guys will be able to control it. So first, try to get out of the garage. See if I can close the back. Close the garage. Garage is always a pain. There it goes. Alright. So, first time using the mount, first time using the Insta in the new car. And I was going to go live, but I wouldn't be able to see comments because I need a second phone to do that. So this is going to be my temporary dash cam. I'll have to set it up better, but this is the intersection where I had my accident. I'm still flabbergasted to the fact that I got hit right there in that intersection. But yeah. So you guys have kind of a 360 view of the car. I actually have a sunroof, which is glass. This is a suction cup style mount. So right now it seems like I have to put on glass. I probably should have known that. Could probably put it on metal. It doesn't seem to be working on the plastic unless I'm doing something wrong. But I wanted to put it on the dashboard behind the screen. But I don't know if it's just me or the shape or who knows what. But it seems to be holding on to the glass very well. It was holding on pretty well here, but it was just way too close to me. And I wanted to get some kind of view of the outside. But yeah, I'll have to figure out the best way to utilize the mount. Just got it, just unpacked it, just mounted it to the windshield. So it didn't really get too much time to work with it, study it, see what will be the best way to use it. The 360 is actually upside down and on an angle, so I don't know if that's also going to affect the way the video looks. But this is why we test. Test, 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 test. Still learning the car. Set the cruise. Probably just gonna give me a coffee or something because I haven't had coffee today. Even though it's Sunday, I'm behind on some jobs. So not a lot, but I figured I'll take care of a couple of things. Nothing that's very time consuming. Stuff that I want to do because it helps me learn. So fixed a couple, fixed a network key, reassigned another network key for the unified equipment for work and personal. I did both, and finished up a laptop because I'm supposed to be taking it to Chicago tomorrow and presenting it. So I had to make sure took care of most of that. And some of it falls on me because on Friday I went to pick up my car and I didn't realize it was going to take as long as it did. So I lost about an hour or so. So I'm just making up for it. So don't think I'm being told to work on the weekends. This is my option. It was my decision. And I felt responsible partly for it because I did run out to get my car during lunch. It took a lot longer than that. So all good. Maybe I'll just grab some food while I'm out. Normally don't eat out anymore. It's been a long time, but I did eat out to celebrate the new car, and I did. Oh, these go. Yeah, let's go. I did eat out with my boss not that long ago, so I don't know, maybe I'll pick up a salad or something. Just pick up a little bit of stuff over for I didn't get a chance to go to this lane. I was turning this lane. Jeez. Oh, anyway, I don't know. I gotta check on the road. So, taking to the car. Getting used to just how things are right now. Went to the Philippines, came back. A couple weeks later, things started happening. Like my car getting hit, and now me in another car, and still getting my other car fixed, and I'm gonna end up with 2 cars, and I'm dead set on getting a, I don't even want to, I guess it's a scooter. When I was younger, I've seen these things, but I believe those were mopeds, dinky little things that I thought were funny. But these scooters are different. It's almost, I'm not saying exactly, but it's almost like having a automatic motorcycle. They are larger engines, more power, and all that stuff. So, all right, let's dip in here. All right, so again, this is just a quick road test with my newer car, my new car mount, which is insanely looking. I mean, this is something like you probably use in a movie. It's a big suction cup thing that you suction onto the windshield. Hopefully other parts, probably the metal of the car, if you wanted to have it outside, but I'm not putting it outside. And yeah, using the 360 Why is my nail always broken? This is ridiculous.
Do you want your receipt?
No receipt. Go this way. So now I gotta start making up for things I haven't done yet. I have a bunch of packages I gotta deliver. I should have did that yesterday. But now that I have a car again, did that yesterday, but yeah. So I'll probably load it up in my car, drop it off tomorrow. There's gonna be a UPS store right next to the office. Just gonna dip into Wendy's to get a drink because my little juices I want for, oh, that line is too long. Yeah, I'm not going there. It's almost 2 o'clock. Why is there such a line? It's not lunch hour rush or anything. And it's Sunday. Well, it's nice to see that they're still having some business. Watch yourself. Watch yourself. Make sure it's safe for you to turn. Which way is Dunkin' Donuts? I think Dunkin' Donuts is on my left. So, might be able to dip to Dunkin' Donuts and get coffee. Since I couldn't get a juice. Try our new wings. Up to my street, I went into the turn lane, like I always do. And I did see the car on the opposite side, but he was at the stop sign. So I just like I'm doing it right now, I came right here. I saw him over there at the stop sign. There was too much traffic for me to turn, but it was right here. He hit me. And like, he said he didn't see me. I was there for like literally minutes. He said he didn't see me, and he was going to try to turn on that street going the opposite direction that I was coming, but it was like, how? That's the part I didn't get. How were you supposed to do that when, one, I couldn't even turn with all the cars that were coming, and two, I was there. I mean, you can't drive through me. Alright, this camera's completely useless in the rain. I'll tell you that right now. Yeah. Right now, the only good this camera's doing me is letting me know my door is still closed. Oops, gotta be careful not to click too many times because it started opening and I would have ended up having it close again. But I guess that camera's in a bad spot. Now at least all the detection and stuff is still working, so that's cool. The only thing I'm concerned with is the mirrors. I'm still good. Stop freaking out so much. Mirrors are clear. Everything I could tell is clear. We're good. All right. That's it, folks.